So today I will be explaining to you guys how to figure this out, or any trigonometric function which has 30 which has 30, 40 and 30, 60 and 90. So like it can be tan 60, cos 30, sine 90. These are the only ones that'll work. Otherwise, it's not possible. So that's a heads up. So now we have this triangle. Well, now you may be wondering, what is this triangle for? So this is the triangle. This is a so first of all, let's look at what this triangle really is. So this triangle is so this triangle, this is the classic 30, 60, 90 triangle. How you know is the side lengths in a 30, 60, 90 triangle always follow the ratio 1, 3, and 1, square root 3 and 2. 1 is the opposite 30-degree angle, 3 is the opposite 60-degree angle, and 2 is the hypotenuse. The key takeaway is if you see 1, 3, the square root 3, and 2, it's automatically tied to 30, 60, and 90. These triangles aren't random. These side lengths come from cutting an equilateral triangle in half. So let's look at all the values from this triangle. Okay, so first we have for 30 we have sine 30, cos 30, and tan 30. Then we have it's okay now. Now that we have an insight on this triangle. Now let us go to the one and only. So this will teach you to use the brain. Emphasis on the brain. So this triangle actually comes in handy a lot. The triangle is actually very in handy. It's actually very nice. So the triangle actually helps out a lot for you, and this will allow you to use none other than the brain. Okay, so this was just some random joking around, but enough of that, and let's get to the actual thing. So now let's try to solve sine 30 with this. Now we need to label, so let's just start from all the way, even before. Okay, so now, this should be, let's just do about 40. Yeah, 40 should be good. We have the equation sine 30. And let's try to solve that. Sine 30. Now we need to draw our triangle. This is in paint, so I can just do that. And make sure to take notes. I know I'm kind of slow, but then you can just skip to. Now we have s square root of 3. And then over here we have 1. So now we're going to try to we're going to solve this equation. So sine is adjacent by hypotenuse. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse, sorry. So opposite opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay, so you have the opposite of sine 30, so 2 by so this is 30 degrees, I believe. So let's just sketch that. Yeah, this is about 30 degrees. So the opposite of this is 1, and then the hypotenuse is 2. So it's 1 by 2. So it's that easy. So I guess that's the entire video then. And thank you. But before, I would like to say, the brain. I would like to say brain. Use your brain instead of calculators. Because your brains are what helps you most. I mean, there's no really much, because you will need to use calculators, but let me just, so now you gained a little bit of knowledge from this random video, and I'm happy to give you some knowledge. So and okay, so thank you. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I kind of misspelled, but you know, goodbye.